Calculating your grade point average, or GPA. To understand GPAs, we must first understand what is used to calculate them. Each grade earned has a numerical equivalent. These are called quality points, or grade points. Quality points range from 4 to 0 depending on the grade. You can see your quality points on your unofficial transcript located within Self-Service Carolina. Grade point averages are the result of your total quality points divided by the total number of credit hours attempted. To calculate your institutional or USC GPA, you can use the calculator located within Self-Service Carolina. Please remember that these calculations are unofficial. Official grades and GPAs are recorded within Self-Service Carolina. This calculator is not intended to factor in transfer GPAs or life scholarship GPAs. This calculator cannot calculate projected uses of grade forgiveness. To begin calculating your projected semester GPA, you will want to enter the credit hour number of the courses you are taking as well as your anticipated or final grade. The calculator will calculate your quality points or grade points. You can also have your current schedule and institutional GPA preloaded from Self-Service Carolina through the GPA calculator. You will see that the quality points or grade points divided by the total number of credit hours taken will result in the semester GPA. If you did not preload your current schedule and institutional GPA, you can find your institutional GPA in your unofficial transcript located in Self-Service Carolina. Enter your institutional GPA hours and the institutional quality points in the appropriate boxes. The final panel will show you your projected institutional GPA. Once again, please remember that these calculations are unofficial. All official grades and GPAs are posted in Self-Service Carolina.